Why is Medulla partnering with Genesis Burson-Marsteller? We at Medulla have always believed in a communications agency model that provides deep expertise and a wide bouquet of services in even a narrow area like healthcare communications. In fact, our clients come to us because they see a value in the integration of the creative, the medical, and the strategic communication that we provide to them. With this perspective in mind, we have always been on the lookout for partners that can help us widen this bouquet of services for our clients and therefore be providing end-to-end services in the healthcare communication space. We're really excited to be working with GBM because they bring to our portfolio three very unique services. One is of course PR, and we all know GBM very well for PR, but what's also exciting to us is that they bring in an expertise in corporate social responsibility as well as public affairs and policy services, and we believe that all of these three services are extremely important for our clients in the healthcare space. And even more importantly, or at least as importantly, GBM also helps get Medulla a certain scale of operations, and therefore we can service clients in 6 cities, and we can of course service clients across the world in 100 cities, and we can help clients conduct events and on-ground activation in 100 cities across India alone, thanks to the presence that GBM has. All of this together makes this alliance a really exciting one for all of us. What will our alliance offer that is different from what other agencies are offering? 3 things: expertise, expertise, and deep expertise. Our strategic alliance allows us to marry GBM's integrated communications and media capabilities with Medulla's deep expertise in the domain of healthcare, which therefore allows us to service our pharma, health and wellness clients very, very well. And of course, there is a belief from both the agencies, GBM and Medulla separately and put together in the strategic alliance, that every piece of work that we do has to integrate the strategic, the creative, the medical and the communication aspects very, very strongly and therefore deliver for our clients. We see immense potential in this alliance. And to demonstrate that, let me talk about a few data and facts. Health consciousness, if you look at that as a trend amongst consumers, is possibly one of the only consumer trends which has constantly been showing an uptrend for the last several years, and in double digits as well. Healthcare has emerged one of the largest and fastest growing service areas in the industry today. In fact, it's grown, if you look at the percentage spend of GDP, in just the last 3 years, from a 5.5% spend of GDP, healthcare has grown to an 8% spend. That is a staggering figure. Secondly, just as health and wellness is a growing area of concern for consumers, it's also a growing area of concern for marketers. And if you look at it and consider it, almost every category in the country currently talks about health and wellness claims. So it could be consumer durables, there are fridges and ACs making health and wellness claims. If you look at it as oils, beauty products, they're making claims. You look at food and nutrition products, they're making health and wellness claims. Absolutely across all sector, health and wellness is becoming an area that is reflecting the consumer health consciousness. However, it is important to remember that whenever we make a claim in health and wellness, it has a significant impact on the lives of consumers in case those claims are off the mark. And we as an alliance will bring in the rigor into these claims, and that is why we believe that we can together dominate the health and wellness